Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll study about the testes. The testes are the male gonads or the male reproductive organs. Testes are the male gonads or the male reproductive organs, and they begin their development high in the lower abdomen cavity near the kidney during the last 2 months before the birth, and they descend to the scrotal sac. That is a pouch that extend below the abdomen. Okay, testes are the male gonads or the male reproductive organs which descend to the scrotal sac or the pouch that extend below the abdomen. These testes are having the large number of lobules. These testes are having the large number of lobules. The testes are externally covered by tunica albuginea. The testes are externally covered by a tunica albuginea. The testes are having the large number of lobules. Each lobule is more or less conical shaped. This is conical in shape. These are conical in shape and are having more or less highly convoluted, two or more highly convoluted seminiferous tubules. The large number of lobules are conical in shape and encloses two or more highly convoluted seminiferous tubules. Each seminiferous tubules encloses two types of cells. That is, first one is germinal epithelium, epithelial cells, or the germ cells, and second one are the Sertoli cells. Sertoli cells. Let us have a look on diagram. These are the seminiferous tubules. These are the seminiferous tubules. These seminiferous tubules encloses two types of cells. First one is germinal epithelial cells. The germ cells or the germinal epithelial cells are arranged in several layers. These are arranged in several layers, occurs at the different stages of development. Okay, these germ cells undergo a process of spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis. The cells which undergo the process of spermatogenesis is known as the spermatogonia. These spermatogonia undergoes the mitotic division to form a primary spermatocyte. Okay, these spermatogonia undergoes a mitotic division to form the primary spermatocyte. These primary spermatocyte undergoes the meiosis 1 first division to produce the secondary spermatocyte. Okay, the primary spermatocytes undergoes the meiosis first to form the secondary spermatocyte. These secondary spermatocytes undergoes meiosis second to form the spermatids. The germ cells which undergoes the process of spermatogenesis is known as the spermatogonia. These spermatogonia undergoes the mitotic division to form the primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes undergoes meiosis first to form the secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes undergoes meiosis second to form the spermatids. These spermatids are non-motile. Non-motile. These spermatids undergoes the process called as spermiogenesis. Spermiogenesis to make them a functional spermatozoa. To make them a functional spermatozoa. Okay. The germ cells, the germinal epithelial cells undergoes several stages. Okay, several stages. These germ cells develop into a functional spermatozoa by the process of spermatogenesis and the process of spermiogenesis. These two processes are important. Okay. Another cells are the Sertoli cells which are present in between the germ cells. Okay, at the regular interval. These Sertoli cells are elongated irregular columnar cells which are present at the basement membrane. Okay, these Sertoli cells are present at the intervals. Okay, in between the germ cells. Okay, these Sertoli cells are columnar shape. This helps in the nourishment of the developing germ cells. These Sertoli cells helps in the nourishment of developing germ cells. In between the seminiferous tubules, there is a connective tissue and the blood vessels, and there are the some of endocrine cells. These endocrine cells are known as interstitial cells or Leydig cells. These are known as the interstitial cells or the Leydig cells. These are responsible for the formation of hormone called as testosterone. Testosterone is the hormone which is secreted by these Leydig cell or the interstitial cells. Okay. Testis, okay, we'll glance it once again. Testis is the male gonad or the male reproductive organ which is present at the abdomen region before the birth, and it descend to the scrotal sac, that is the pouch at which extend below the abdomen. Okay, this testis is oval shaped which is having the large number of lobules. Those lobules are conical in shape. These lobules are having 2 or more seminiferous tubules. Okay, these lobules encloses a 2 or more convoluted seminiferous tubules. Okay, these seminiferous tubules are having the 2 types of cells, that is germinal epithelium cells and the Sertoli cells. These germinal epithelium cells undergo a process of spermatogenesis to form a functional spermatozoa. Okay, these germinal epithelial cells which undergo a process of spermatogenesis is known as the spermatogonia, which undergo a process of mitosis to form the primary spermatocytes, and these primary spermatocytes undergo a process of meiosis 1 to form the secondary spermatocyte, which undergo a process of meiosis second to form the spermatids. These spermatids are non-motile and non-functional. Okay, these undergo another process called as spermiogenesis to form the spermatozoa, which is the functional one. Okay, in between the germ cells there are some columnar cells which are known as the Sertoli cells. The Sertoli cells helps in the nourishment of the developing germ cells. Okay, the seminiferous, in between the seminiferous tubules there is a connective tissue, blood vessels, and the endocrine cells. These endocrine cells are known as the interstitial cells or the Leydig cells. These cells produces the hormone called as testosterone. Okay, this is the male hormone.